Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I had a couple people ask me, so I wanted to show you down and dirty real quick. This is the E-flite UMX Eratix 3D plane, and I added lights. So there's a close-up of the plug where I plugged it in. It does seem like you have to offset the plug a little tiny bit to the left. Hopefully you can see that good. But these lights are from the UMX Slow Ultra Stick. I bought them for that. I cut a little slit in the foam, plugged them in there, slit in the foam, and then underneath I ran it around, down through the support over here. Then I ran one to one side. I used a little piece of, a little drop of foam tack underneath each light. And then I put a little piece of Scotch tape over it to hold it in place until it dries. You know, and then I ran the other side through there and came out and around here and did the same thing. Drop a foam tack and then a piece of Scotch tape over it to hold it till it dried. And then the light that's supposed to be in the front on the Slow Ultra Stick, I put it on the rear because it wouldn't reach the front using this light setup. But it works great. It's nice and bright, and I hope that helps. One more thing I wanted to show you guys. I did go ahead, if you watch my other video, it's about how to save money on the batteries for this. This is the battery that's $4.99. It does have a balance port on it. $4.99. And then I bought the JST to PH3 3-pin connector. This costs $6 altogether. These are $1 a piece. Them are $4.99. And you just put the plug there and leave it. And then you can use one of these. Now this battery, I went and wasted the money to show you guys. This battery's $15 and it's a 30C. So it's not even as strong. This is a 50C for $4.99. And then this doesn't have a balance port. So then you have to buy a special cable. That's another $20. You know, they're just further and further into your pocket. So go ahead and do this setup. And I wanted to show you right now, in case people are saying, well, maybe that's a lot heavier. The one they recommend is bigger. It's longer than the 50C. And let's weigh them right now. So here's the one recommended, 30C 300 for 3 times as much with no balance port. This weighs 17.5 grams. This one I bought for $4.99, 50C pack, a third of the price, and you don't have to buy the cable. That weighs 17.4 grams. So it's actually lighter than this recommended pack, and it's a third of the price, and you don't have to buy the $20 cable. And then you'd also be able to charge this on any charger, not just a smart charger, because you have a balance port. So you can do that. And then, like I said, I hope that light setup helps. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.